It is the week of Christmas, and of course, like every year, Christmas week it's usually a bad weather week when Hawaii shows its ugly face to the world. It's raining for a couple of days, maybe even more. I'm kind of sick of staying in the house. It's time to get out and see some waterfalls, get into the jungle. So I call my friend Ben.
Hello?
Hey, man, what's up? What are you up to?
Hey, how's it going?
Well, surviving in the rain. I'm thinking to go to see some waterfalls. You wanna come?
Yeah, let's do it.
Cool. See you in a bit.
Alright, see you then.
I just got into the car to leave, and my friend Ben calls me that he got a flat tire, so he has to change it in the rain. I'm just gonna drive down and meet him, and hopefully we can still go hiking today. That's my dude right there. Oh my God, what's happened?
Hawaii roads, baby!
Oh my God. Okay.
Hit a huge pothole. Whee! That's not what tires are supposed to do.
Oh my God, that's crazy, man. Alright, did you already
We
check?
go. Yeah, I'm already done.
Cool. We are still heading out, check the waterfall, but it's raining more than we expected. Thankfully, it's like not a dangerous trail. It's an old trail where we're gonna head out, and probably I'm just gonna use my DJI action camera to shoot the whole thing, because yeah, this is gonna be wet.
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Wow, there is like water on the trail, pretty much. The waterfall have to flow really hard today. Dude, are you excited to see this?
Stoked. They're gonna be firing.
Yeah. Well, this trail is definitely got some blow down trees. It doesn't have a lot of views, I guess, but it's a short, beautiful trail here on the Windward Side, and the waterfalls are only flowing when it's raining hard. And today it does. Woo. So if you want to experience the Hawaii jungle, this is the time. Go out when it rains. It's a totally different environment. The jungle, it's dark, moody, but pretty amazing. Of course, stay safe as always. So that's first thing, but man, love it. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, with all this water, I kinda got confused for a little bit, but we found the trail. Okay, in normal situation, that waterfall back there, it's barely flowing. Today is like freaking amazing. So I'm really curious what the other two waterfalls gonna look like.
This is
like an obstacle course, dude.
You have to go in, but yeah.
Out here in Hawaii, one of these days, really awesome, yeah? This is your
Insane.
first time here.
Oh yeah, first time.
This is not... It's a little bit rainy, let's just say that, yeah?
Amazing. What'd you say?
Alright, we try to get to the third one. If it's close, we'll see. Well, I'm gonna have some bad footage, I guess. It's just pouring rain, so a lot of water drops on the camera, but hopefully you guys can still see something. Woo! So let's see how is the third waterfall. So we are at the third waterfall, which I usually never see flowing, just really slow, but today it looks pretty awesome. Check it out. Dude, you have to go behind that waterfall. You want to go?
I go.
Okay.
Yes.
Bro, that was crazy. Oh my god.
It's so cold.
Whoa. We are getting soaked, man.
I'm wet.
Woo. Doesn't matter your rain jacket here. In this downpour, it's just no matter. We are soaked. Ready to get out of here?
Let's do it.
Alright, let's get out of
That
here.
was sick.
That was freaking amazing. Freaking amazing. Fast walking now. Whew, that was quite an adventure. We got soaked. I just changed a little bit. When I got to the car, super wet. Didn't matter what kind of rain jacket we had. We just got soaked totally. But it was really a fun outing, just a couple hours, but it was amazing to see these waterfalls. And if you guys like the video, press the like button, that would help out my channel. And if you guys want to see more of these kind of adventures, then subscribe to the channel. And hopefully see you guys next time. Aloha.